I can say the step in dentures worked for me for a number of reasons. Cost, but also that I was finished in a week. So I did look many places about where to get my dental work done. And I went to Mexico a few times, down to Nogales, down to Yuma. They did not do the minis, and we're not going to do the same process that is done here. I did look at Europe and Turkey, Hungary, all good places for teeth, but the value of coming to Cancun and the price for the dental work here far outweighed all the rest. Besides the fact that I could get all of my teeth removed and all the mini implants, and in a week be finished with the whole process. That was huge. So I felt that by far it was the best value. And I swear by these mini implants as far as not having to wait 6 months, 9 months for your teeth to heal or everything to heal. I was able to eat days after you did the surgery. So that's why we came here, and the people were all very nice. It's like a family. I can say the step in dentures worked for me for a number of reasons. Cost, but also that I was finished in a week instead of months and months and months with temporary teeth. So that was the reason. The third reason, and for me, is finance. In other words, I had bad teeth. I was going to have huge dental bills continue throughout my life, where now I have fixed that problem and I have no more dental expense. I find them perfect. I've been complimented by many people on the step in dentures, and it took me a couple of days to get used to taking them in and out, but now it's no problem at all, and it's worked out very well for me.